Your fifth song will show you the end of the year Instagram change story, add yours viral sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. Is a Portuguese one. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to click on my account, which is Alien John YTT. So once you are on my account, you have to go to super viral or add your sticker at highlights. So go to add your stickers at highlights, and here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. And here you will also find many others viral stickers like this one, for example, or this one. So once you are here, you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I'll do the story, I'll show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. You can choose a photo with you. I will go with this photo right here. You can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and then you have to go to sticker to add your fifth music. Here you have to go to music, and then you have to click on the fifth one. In my case, it's this one. And now you have to click on done from the right top corner and place your song where you want. And now you can share it with your friends. So yeah guys, that's it. Now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find the first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.